Hello everybody, my name is Oluwatobi Adefila, and today I'll be telling you the reasons why you should be wearing an N95 mask. In this presentation, I'll be telling you exactly what an N95 mask is, the benefits of wearing one, comparing it to other N95 masks, and lastly, why you should be wearing it. Well, what exactly is an N95 mask? Well, an N95 mask is a particulate face piece respirator that filters out at least 95% of airborne particles. There are many benefits of an N95 mask, but I just filtered them out. I just wore them down to 3. One of the reasons being it filters out both large and small particles when the wearer inhales, or the person who is wearing it inhales. Wearing an N95 or a KN95 mask reduces the odds of testing positive to COVID-19 by at least 83%. Exposure to potentially infectious aerosols are decreased by about 95% when the person is wearing the mask correctly. In comparison to other masks, in a report done by the CDC, it reported the effectiveness of other masks compared to the N95 mask when people are wearing it. So this is a report done by the CDC, and first off, we have when a person doesn't wear a mask, can be tested because you're probably going to get COVID-19. Next one, we have a cloth mask, which is something you can get from the store, but also you can do it by yourself. It's just normally for example, wrapping a paper or something around my nose, my mouth. It shows that you're 56% of having a lower odds. When wearing a surgical mask, which is something that the general public wears, you're about 66% at a lower rate of testing positive for COVID-19. And when wearing an N95 mask, which is worn by healthcare workers, you are 83% of a lower odds of testing for COVID-19. Now, what is safer, a surgical mask or an N95 mask? An N95 offers the highest level of protection. It offers more protection than a medical mask does because it filters out both large and small particles when the person inhales. The key difference between a standard N95 respirator and a surgical N95 respirator is fluid resistance. But why should you wear it? Even though COVID-19 is not as dominant as it was, I'd say 2 years ago, it's still killing about 100 people on a daily basis. In the past 2 years of COVID-19 being around, it has killed 6.6 million people. A good amount of those people meant something to somebody, and as sad as it is to say, were killed by others not taking the necessary precautions to protect themselves and to protect others. A percentage of those killed could be enjoying the holiday time with the family, co-workers, and others. If people wore masks to protect themselves, they would probably still be here by now. By wearing an N95 mask, the risk of getting disease, contaminate others, and helping other people see another day due to unselfishness rises. Wear a mask to save a grandfather, a parent, a child, and you. Thank you everybody for listening to my presentation on N95 mask. I hope you all have